We at Equans are the world's leading manufacturer of pipe bends produced by hot induction bending. We have specialized in supplying induction bends for the most challenging pipeline projects around the globe, off and onshore. We also deliver bends for various architecture and construction projects, power plants and renewables. With no less than 50 years of experience, our workshop is fully qualified and equipped to offer state-of-the-art induction bending. Apart from our 3 induction bending lines, we are housing a large number of welding, cutting and drilling machines of latest technology that enable us to offer complete prefabrication of complex high-pressure piping systems. Let us take you on a trip inside our facilities in Grimberg in Belgium, where our people push their limits to bending challenges into solutions. During the entire process, quality is constantly and closely monitored. This starts as soon as the pipes and accompanying material certificates arrive at our facility. We check them thoroughly for inconsistencies and prepare the pipes by cleaning them and pre-welding the clamping pieces before the bending process itself starts. The pipe is now ready to be headed to one of our 3 bending lines. Our bending machines can produce up to 12,000 hot bends annually in the widest dimensional range possible, from 2 up to 64-inch diameter, and pipe wall thickness up to 150 millimeters. Other than carbon or stainless steel pipes, we also bend clad steel, duplex, super duplex, or more exotic materials like nickel alloys or titanium. After setting up the bending machine, the bending operator clamps the pipe to its cradle and starts the bending process while we continuously check the proposed speed and temperature. Depending on the material grade and wall thickness, the bend is being directly cooled either by air or water, while the moving part of the machine pushes it in the desired angle and radius. A perfect synchronization of heating, cooling and speed is essential to obtain a smooth bend and maintain the required dimensional parameters such as wall thickness and ovality, and the mechanical values after bending. If needed, we divide the bends by sawing or flame cutting, depending on the client's specifications. Induction bending eliminates a lot of welding and the subsequent costs and risks, like weak spots caused by welds. When the bending itself is completed, the bends are heat-treated in order to restore the mechanical properties of the steel. For this process, we can reach temperatures of up to 1,150 degrees Celsius. Our 3 large furnaces are constantly monitored by thermocouples, ensuring correct and balanced temperatures during the entire heating cycle. After the heating process, it is necessary for the bends to be cooled in the right way, in order to maintain or restore the mechanical characteristics of the material. This can be done by immersing them in a large agitated water tank, the so-called quenching. If sampling of the bends is required for destructive testing, the pipe samples are cut and sent to the laboratory. Several non-destructive tests can be performed to guarantee the best quality of the pipes. If required, a hydrostatic pressure test of the bends is performed, confirming the test pressure and holding time instructed by the client. When the tests are completed and found successful, we prepare and machine the pipe end to the customer's requirements. We have 3 CNC milling machines on site, so any weld shape can be performed. In order to clean and smooth the pipe, we treat the surface by blasting them with corundum or grit. If needed, we can also coat the carbon steel. Whether it's just a rust primer, a fusion-bonded epoxy, or a 3-layer polyethylene polypropylene coating, our team will cater to your needs. The bends are almost finished and ready for shipment. Our people pack the bends on pallets, crates, open-top containers, flat racks, you name it. When they are packed and ready to go, we perform a final check and prepare all necessary certificates with all the characteristics of the bends. In the final stage, the bends are loaded and shipped to the nearest seaport, airport, or the customer's facilities. At Equans, we care for our people. as well as for the environment, as they are both essential parts of our business. Whether it is the mere bending of pipes or the prefabrication of an entire piping system, we're convinced that we can deliver the best solution for your most challenging project. Let our people take care of it. Equans, bending challenges into solutions.